In previous lesson, we've learned how to connect Android app with Firebase. In this lesson, let's learn how to connect an iOS app with Firebase. Let's add an app inside our React Native project in Firebase. Let's add iOS app. Now we have to add the bundle ID. Where can we get that bundle ID? Let's open Xcode. To open Xcode from terminal, just type that code, exceed -b iOS. That allow us to open Xcode inside that project, as you see. Now let's get our bundle ID. We can get it when we press here. Just press on signing and capabilities. Let's copy that bundle identifier and copy and paste it here. And let's register a new app. Let's download Google info.placed. And now let's press next, 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 continue to console, and let's go to React Native Firebase. First, we need to add those configurations. Download the Google service, Google info.placed inside our app using Xcode, open the project and add files to that project. So that's our project. Let's press on add files to project. And let's go for downloads and select that file that we have downloaded from Firebase to connect our iOS app with Firebase. Let's press on add. Now we've added that file. Let's go down. We need to add that code inside app-delegate.h. Let's add that import. Here in Xcode, we can put it using Xcode. Here, we can make it also using VS Code. If we open iOS and if we open that folder, the file name, we can add it here too. Add it wherever you want, okay? But it's better to add it using Xcode. And now let's add this Fire app configuration inside did finish launching without options function. So let's search at this function. We can see it here. All we need to add that file, that code here inside this function. You maybe wonder why Xcode is better in adding configuration. I'm gonna tell you, because Xcode allow us to see our errors, because we have an error here, Firebase file not found. That's because we didn't install the bots yet. So let's scroll down, and auto-linking and rebuilding. Here in iOS, we need to open the iOS folder, and run that command, bot install repo update. So let's edit and wait until our bots are done. We got here an error while we are installing the pods. The Swift pod Firebase core installer depend on Google utilities, which doesn't define modules. So let's solve that issue. Let's copy it and open a new tab and press that issue. You will get this Stack Overflow link. I will leave that link in the description, so don't forget to check it. And now let's add those. He's telling to add those inside bot file. We're here in bot file. Let's add them. And add this too. Now let's run bot install again. pod install repo update. Again. And let's see. Great, we have installed them correctly. Now let's try to run our project. Let's type exceed-b iOS to open the Xcode. And now let's try to clean first and build. I have a notice. Because my ship is M1, so I need to add this step. If you are using the Apple chip, I mean MacBook Pro with M1, you have to add this ARM64 here. Just press on the project name on that project and the build settings, any iOS simulator SDK, and add ARM64. And else, inside bots, press on bots, press on build settings, and any iOS simulator SDK, just add ARM64. And now let's run the project. Finally, build is successful. After all of those errors that we have made, and it's a good experience to face those errors with me. You maybe don't face those errors. For example, if your chip is not M1 chip, you will not face that error. So we have successfully connected our Firebase with our iOS app. Don't forget the like button and see you in the next lesson. And we're gonna make an authentication using Firebase. Thanks for watching.